Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Health Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to mute someone on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. So you follow a friend on Instagram who is very annoying. Don't be afraid, you have options. You might think it's time to stop following someone. But be careful, if you want to stay friends with someone in real life, blocking or unfollowing them could be seen as act of hostility. You could instead put their account on mute. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom menu bar of your page. Tap on the search bar located at the top of your page. Search for the people you want to mute. Tap on the following button. From the menu, click on Mute. Move the toggle bar to the right for the post you want to mute this person from. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to mute someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.